In today's video, we're going to be replacing a compression angle stop. The first thing you're going to want to do is shut off the water to your house and then open up as many hose bibs and faucets as possible. That way you can get all the water draining down instead of draining it inside your cabinet. Then you're going to loosen up the nut behind the angle stop, and that will be the trickiest part to replace. If you're watching this video, chances are you may be a beginner, and I would almost recommend not replacing that nut. In this case, I was lucky enough to just be able to wiggle it off pretty quickly, but a lot of times the ferrule underneath that nut will get really squeezed around the copper, and it'll be very difficult to remove without a ferrule puller or splicing it off with a small handsaw. Now I'm just going to clean up the copper, that way I can install my new escutcheon, my new nut, and my new ferrule and valve. I bet you could guess our next step, but we're just going to tighten up that nut, and I've got a special angle stop wrench to do this, but you could definitely just use a crescent wrench or some adjustable pliers, tongue and groove pliers. And once you have that tight, you're going to remember to close all your bibs and faucets that you opened earlier, shut off your angle stops. You're going to turn the water back on as you run back here and check for leaks, crossing your fingers. Thanks for watching.